What's up guys? Congratulations on the purchase of your new hook piece. In this video I'm going to take you through the assembly and disassembly process for the long coffee table. So it should arrive in a box like this. You can just hinge it open. You're going to want to keep the coffee table in the box while you're assembling, just to make sure that you're not going to scratch the top surface. First thing you want to do is remove the legs from the chassis one by one and click them into the 4 joints. Best way to do this, rather than just grabbing at the legs, just so you don't want to damage the piece, is look at the top of the leg and you want to spread this tooth outwards from the back of the leg. So I spread that apart with my fingers and then I lift up and then I can lift the tooth out. The next thing you want to do is click the leg into the joint. Now the best way to do that is have the tooth facing outwards and the large part of the leg facing inwards. I put the back tooth in and then I just press forward and click it. And then I just do that for the remaining 3 legs. Spread the tooth apart, lift up. I'll put the back of the leg in here. Make sure the tooth is facing outwards and then press forward. Locks into place. Same again. Lift up. Hinge forward. Spread the tooth apart from the back of the leg. Lift it up and then I can lift the foot out. Put the tooth back, the back end of the leg right in here first and then just push outwards. And it locks into place. And that's it. So that's basically it. Then you can lift it up out of the box, flip it onto the legs, and you're pretty much all assembled. Okay, so now I'm going to show you the disassembly process of the coffee table, in case you need to store it away or if you're moving. You can simply flip the coffee table upside down. Again, you're going to want to make sure that it's on a soft surface, a rug or a carpet, and you're not going to scratch the top. First thing you want to do is take the legs out one by one and click them back into the chassis. You can see the shape of the legs drawn on the underside of the piece, so you know where they go. The best way to take the legs out is to squeeze this flexible tooth inwards and then hinge the leg backwards. So I do that with 2 hands. I squeeze the leg in and then I hinge back and it should just pop right out. Now to put the leg in the chassis, I look at which way it's drawn on the piece. And then I go foot first. So I put the foot towards this stopper right down here. I make sure the stopper goes into the rubber foot. And then I press down on the top of the leg and it should just click right into place. Do that again right here. Squeeze the tooth, hinge it backwards. The legs can go in any position. You just want to make sure they're in the correct way. Put the foot in to the stopper and then press down and that locks it into place. Same again here. Hinge backwards. The foot towards the stopper, press down, locks in. Last one, squeeze, hinge it out in here and then press down. And that's how you do that. So the piece is very thin, it's about 1.5 inches thick, so you can store it under your couch or your sofa, under your bed, or put it in your closet, but it's also designed to hang on the wall. So you have a cleat right here, and there's a slot underneath each of these cleats. And that's designed to latch on to the wall cleat. So we have this wall cleat. There's a separate video to show installation of this, but that cleat is designed to click in right here. So basically I'm going to want to turn this around and line up the cleat, and then this can safely hang on the wall. So I'll lift that over here. I'm going to line it up and then I'll push upwards and then I'll feel it lock into place. And that's it, safely hung on the wall. Okay, thanks for watching.